My name is Scott Robertson, and today marks a very special day for Ocean Alexander. We're introducing the new Puro line, and this comes in 3 models, a 30 meter, a 35 meter, and a 40 meter. The 35 meter is the first one, hull number 1 that we're on today, to come to the United States. I'm gonna walk you through this and show you all the new features, and this entire yacht is designed by a new designer by the name of Giorgio Cassetta. So just to start back here on the swim platform, you got a nice size swim platform that you can put a hard bottom inflatable or a couple jet skis. We got what we call a transformer that holds 2,500 pounds. And this transformer acts as a passerelle as well. It'll go up to a seawall so you can board and get off the boat, and it'll also go down in the water like a swim platform. It also comes down and has stairs. You'll notice over my head, the beach club door swings up, which creates shade back here. And then as you make your way down into really an enormous beach club, you can see back here, we've got a nice couch across the back with 2 opposing chairs. All teak floors throughout here. As you make your way into the engine room, which is just behind the beach club, this area in here is equipped with twin man, 2,000 horsepower. Again, we talked about the generators being 55 kW in size. This area also has a waste treatment system for the head tank. But make your way in, you'll notice how easy it is to walk around these motors. Plenty of space between the engines. We also have your generators, which are just back behind the motors. And you can see both of those there with their sound shields. This engine room is also completely air conditioned. This is your headhunter waste treatment system here. We're making our way up into the aft deck of the 35 meter Puro. You're gonna see the attention to detail and the accents of the metallic paint job on this boat. But as you look at your back area back here, you're gonna have full refrigeration in here. There's an ice maker, a table that easily seats 10 people. But one of the aspects of this, when you look closely at it, is how deep the seating is. And we do have a drop-down TV back here as well. We have our electric Salon door. You'll notice it's a flush walk-through as well. There's no real big step up coming in. This interior is called the Nautique by Ocean Alexander. And so you're just gonna see the details of the wood inserts, is the stainless accents. But we also have a stone floor here as you first walk in. And then you're gonna have carpet, and then you're gonna have stone as you make your way into the dining room. But one thing you're gonna see is these floor-to-ceiling windows all the way through to bring all this natural light in. We got a pop-up TV behind this seat here as well. And then as you make your way forward, you're gonna notice we got a table set for 10. The beam on this boat is 24.5, so you can feel how much room is in here. Great walkarounds. We also have a sliding door over here to the starboard side. Just forward of this area that we're gonna walk through next is your galley. You have 2 access points to enter the galley, one from coming out of the dining room and another over on the starboard side. So as you take a look inside of this, you're gonna notice just one massive sub-zero refrigeration and freezer with an ice maker. We've got a 64 bottle wine cooler here, an ice maker, but then we added a door over here on the port side, and this door acts as for the chef and for the crew to be able to bring provisions into the boat. You're gonna notice that we did some accents here with some like a darker grays as far as your counters go, but then a stainless as a backsplash. The industrial vented hood. And as you're making your way around, you're gonna notice that huge window over there. This area as well is a big, huge pantry, walk-in pantry. So we're in the cruise quarters now, which is access just forward of the galley. So the area we're standing in here is the crew lounge. You'll notice they got really nice large seating, a table that unfolds, but you've got more or less a U-shaped type seating here for the crew. We've got 3 cabins down here, so you can hold a total of 5, if not 6 crew members, depending if it's a husband-wife team. But over here on the port side, we've got the captain's quarters with his own separate shower and head. Across from his room is 2 sets of washer and dryers. And then just forward to here, these 2 rooms are identical. So you'll see these bunks, plenty of room, you'll notice, of these bunks and how deep they are. So this is one thing where a lot of times in the crew quarters, they're right on top of each other, and there is no space between them like this. You'll notice this has great space where this one can step down and get off. And just forward of this is a separate head and shower as well. So down here, you've got 3 heads and showers. This acts as a great place for them to be able to come up to the galley and also get to the starboard side of the boat. So we are walking into the on-deck master of the 35m Puro now. And again, the sapele wood that you have throughout this, you can see all in a matte finish. This is one beautiful boat with all the lighting and the accents I put through here. You're gonna see the inset of the windows with the gray dark tones with the stainless that goes around. Again, all of the blinds in here are all electric shades and blackouts as well. We offer a king-size bed in here. You got a little couch over here on your starboard side. But as you make your way around here, there is a full walk-in closet here, and it's large, going all the way deep back this way and over here to your port side as well. As it sets in, you'll notice in these windows, like we pointed out before, how this looks like planks of wood up here as well. This is all electric shades that drop down. Just to look at some of the creativity of the lighting that Giorgio Cassetta has developed into this boat, all throughout the ceiling. These are all leather ceilings in here. This is all white lacquer as well. So let's make our way into the master head. This is one of the two doors. So this is the entrance into the port side. The his and hers, as you can see, the two doors here in the layout. This is a absolutely amazing master head. You got a rain shower above you. You've got a normal shower head here and a wand. But this growy control center right here gives you 3 different buttons to push to activate all 3 of these. The flooring is a stone with like a non-skid in it. Really grips your feet well, but feels good. You'll see we also designed some insets here for shampoos and things like that. But the lighting that was integrated on the top of each one of these shelves, so you could actually see what was there. So just some points, and then again, more accent lights here, and we actually did a tray ceiling up here with accent lighting behind that as well. I'm walking out of the master now, over here on the starboard side, right before. Very large day head sink. We actually integrated a window over on the starboard side of it, and then also has blackout blinds as well that are inside there. The blinds that are in this room, as well as the salon, are all leather blinds. Very creative. So we're making our way downstairs to look at the lower staterooms, and the handrail here, all stainless. All the gray wood with the insets. Your carpet, as you're coming down, you're gonna see it was accented by the wood throughout the boat. This little lobby area down here, that gives you access to the 4 staterooms. So as we make our way we're gonna go into the starboard side. This is a queen to a king size bed here. You got great closet space, large window as well for natural light into this room. But as you make your way forward, you're gonna see a desk here with an orange leather that's got some offset stitching in a really cool color. All 4 of the staterooms are all in-suite heads with separate showers as well. On the forward stateroom, down here in the lower level, you got 2 oversized single beds, but these single beds do slide together to make a queen to a king-size bed. We'll walk over to the starboard side so you can see exactly what that looks like when it's put together. We do have a second set of sheets that comes with this particular stateroom that when you do push the beds together, you have a comforter that goes over both of them instead of having singles. We're gonna walk up the stairs now to the Skylounge, and you're gonna notice the atrium, how large this area feels with how open it is. So the walk behind bar up here makes it a very special place to make a cocktail. You got an ice maker in here, you got a pull drawer refrigeration, but you got your bar stools here as well. But it's really inviting too for this entire Skylounge of hanging out back behind this bar. You're gonna notice that we got 2 large couches over here on the port side. This is a very comfortable couch, Patrona Frau designed with deep seating, as you can see from there. And all the flooring throughout this is all wood as well. Over here on the starboard side, you're gonna see we integrated a 65-inch television. As you make your way forward in the Skylounge, you're gonna notice we do another day head here as well. So you've got one on the lower level and you've got one on the Skylounge. At the helm up here, you're gonna notice we got hydraulic stern thrusters and bow thruster. We got dual VHFs. We got 3 32-inch screens for navigation. We can move these screens around from a radar to a chart plotter to your main system for your octoplex that's throughout the boat. Let's focus on one area that's really, really well done is your Ocean Alexander chairs that are for your helm area. All the diamond stitching throughout this, they're all electric, and then they have the Ocean Alexander symbol engraved in there. The 35m is equipped with 0-speed stabilizers, which will give you, at rest, stabilization all the way through your speed range. As you make your way to the back here, There's another electric door that will take you to the aft area of the Skylounge. Your ceiling here extends all the way past the end of this table here to give you full coverage out of the sun and weather. So we have seating back here that is movable, and you've got on your starboard side here as well as across your aft, you got L-shaped couches. And then over here on your port side, we designed in a small little card table, just a place to sit and relax. So we've made our way up onto the bow of the 35 meter, and this area is quite large. You have one enormous area for sunbathing up here. You can see this inset here that is created, and it actually is on a slider. You'll see the tracks in the floor here, and it actually covers this oversized hot tub. You'll notice that we put the hot tub up on the bow. This will create more space up on the Sundeck, which we'll see soon. This is just a magnificent place for a hot tub. Very large. This can comfortably seat 6 to 8 people. But again, this sun pad here will run over these tracks and cover this and make a sun pad here, and then this will be an oversized U-shaped seating area. We also have carbon fiber poles that go into the floor here that create shade that hook up to the brow of the flybridge there. Really neat features that this boat offers for the Skylounge is a full walk around. Most of your Skylounges are designed to go all the way out to the width of the boat. In this one, when you're enjoying time up here, you can actually access the front of the boat as far as the back of the boat by not going inside. On the port and starboard side, we're going to have life rafts that deploy out this way. You can see the cutout for it. Inside this box are called your wing stations. So the captain has the ability to come out from the pilot house here and dock the boat on the port or starboard side. As Giorgio Cassetta designed this boat, one of the features that needs to be pointed out is he did the stairs all the way from the swim platform to the aft deck to the flybridge on the Sundeck, all on the port side. So when it's lit up at night, that's when you can really see the intention of the design. Get our way up to the Sundeck now. And the Sundeck is extremely large in size because we did not, again, put the hot tub up here. We have it up on the bow. So with that, you're gonna notice there is just a massive amount of seating up here. We also integrated this oversized bar with 4 bar stools. Full walk behind bar. Another ice maker up here as well as refrigeration. As you make your way forward here, you're gonna have 2 oversized L-shaped couches. Now on the forward part of this flybridge is such a great place to be while you're underway with this yacht. Thank you for taking the time today to walk through the 35-meter Puro Ocean Alexander. Again, this is the debut of this yacht, and this series is built in a 30-meter, a 35-meter, and a 40-meter. Again, thank you for your time. My name is Scott Robertson. Any additional information that I can provide to you, you can get a hold of me at 727-638-7890.